Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 5 highest rated electric wire stripping machines. There are instances when wires must be stripped off their protective covering to be modified in some way. And the easiest way to do this is to use a wire stripping machine. You might ask, can't I just do it with a knife? Sure, but it's a time-consuming process that'll take up most of your time. On top of that, if you don't know what you're doing, merely stripping wire with a knife might be risky. Wire stripping equipment keeps you safe and saves time. Not to mention, they produce copper of far higher quality. Whether you're a pro electrician or want to tackle a DIY project involving wiring, these 5 top-rated electric wire stripping machines will help you work efficiently. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the electric wire stripping machines that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated option so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first electric wire stripping machine on our list is the StripMeister electric wire stripping machine, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Effortlessly strip pinched, kinked, damaged, and pigtailed spiraled copper wires with a StripMeister original. This wire stripper is constructed from a solid, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy with a drive shaft crafted from heavy-duty steel. Plus, the blades and feeders are precision machined with 5-axis computer numerical control milling technology using heat-treated tool steel for optimum quality, durability, and performance. In terms of size, the machine measures 6 by 4.25 by 8 inches and weighs 3.8 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: Ultra Grip Wire Stripper Technology. This technology massively increases torque, reduces slippage, and untangles mangled wires effortlessly without any slips or jams. Portable. It is lightweight and can easily fit in a bag or at the back of your truck for easy transport and storage. Versatile. The machine can strip wire scraps of different sizes from 18 wire to 250 kilo circular mill from 0.08 to 0.79 inch diameters. Not to mention, it also strips Romex and braided wires with ease. Drill powered. Got a hand drill at home? Pair it with the StripMeister machine, and you've got a powerful tool that'll go through various types of wires. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, although some users had difficulty with the setup, this machine is a fast and effective tool for those looking to strip wire quickly. The second electric wire stripping machine on our list is the Vevor electric wire stripping machine, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. With a strong motor of 370 watts and high-performance cooling ability, this wire stripping machine has incredibly high work efficiency and an extensive wire stripping range. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and acrylic materials, making it durable and reliable. As for its profile, the machine measures 22.1 by 17.3 by 14.2 inches and weighs a hefty 50 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: safety feature. The electric wire stripping machine added an emergency stop button and a transparent protective shell, forming a thoughtful security mechanism to ensure safe use. Heavy-duty gearbox. This unit attaches a heavy-duty gearbox, leading to a fast stripping speed of up to 98 feet per minute. Its long service life makes it a reliable choice for you. Wide compatibility. It has 11 channels and 10 blades to handle different wires simultaneously. Choosing this Vevor stripper will greatly improve work efficiency and save time and labor. Transparent plate. There's a transparent acrylic plate that allows you to observe and operate the machine more conveniently. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, it's a bit heavy but portable, so you might need someone to help you carry it. The third electric wire stripping machine on our list is the CREWORKS electric wire stripping machine, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This 12.6 by 9.5 by 12.6 inch wire stripper removes plastic and rubber insulation from old electrical wiring at speeds of up to 0.8 feet per second, powering its durable steel blade with a highly efficient 180-watt motor. It is made of reinforced aluminum for dependable long-term use with an alloy steel blade that maintains its edge exceptionally well and ensures a clean cut every time. Best of all, its weight of 24 pounds keeps everything stable, but it's still easy to move from the garage to the worksite when you need to. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: waterproof power switch. The plastic protective cover and the power buttons ensure a smooth and nice operation. Simple operation. Quickly and easily set the blade height to your exact needs by using the adjustment knob, hit the power button, and start feeding your copper cable through the appropriate hole. Wide compatibility. Its 4 separate feeding holes cover every width of copper wire from 0.06 to 1 inch. letting you safely and easily handle all the most common sizes. Adjustable. This machine has an adjustment knob that easily sets the durable steel blade to exactly the right height for your needs. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, you should put a gear oil on the motor for better performance. The fourth electric wire stripping machine on our list is the BLUEROCK electric wire stripping machine, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. If money's not a problem, we suggest considering the 22.5 by 13 by 17 inch BLUEROCK WS212. This 120-pound heavy-duty unit boasts the widest sizes ranges in the category, with the ability to take on everything from tiny 22 American wire gauge control wires all the way up to beefy 1.5-inch supply conductors. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: fast tripping. If you've got a big job on the horizon, this machine can cut a whopping 75 feet per minute. Highly efficient. It boasts 9 cutting blades and 9 cutter channels to help you save time and be more productive. Adjustable tension. The spring-loaded mechanism on the top allows you to adjust the tension of the cutters depending on what wire or jacket size you're cutting. High-quality material. It's made of heavy-duty industrial-grade steel frame and machine, which gives exceptional durability. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, although it's expensive, the features and convenience it offers makes it worthwhile. The fifth electric wire stripping machine on our list is the Happybuy electric wire stripping machine, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. From its name Happybuy, will this machine actually make you happy? In all likelihood, the answer is yes. The wire range of this machine is as good as some of the best machines. It's easy to set, use, and portable, and 24.9 pounds and 8.5 by 12.5 by 12 inches dimensions. And the steel frame construction means this machine should last a good long while. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: fast stripping. It features a high-speed stripping induction motor that works at 60 feet per minute, allowing you to strip those wires cleanly and quickly, all with minimal effort. Safety feature. The shell and screw nuts, with high stiffness and hardness, provide excellent protection for the blades and the operation. Aside from that, it has waterproof buttons that make the operation safer. Adjustable screw nut. You can adjust the height of the blade by turning the screw nut to fit wires of different sizes. Heavy-duty gearbox. This quality gearbox helps in fast stripping speed, fixing machine position, and safe and reliable use. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, the company doesn't sell replacement blades, which means that there are hard limits to how many years of use you will get from this machine. And there you have it, folks, our 5 highest rated electric wire stripping machines, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next electric wire stripping machine roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.